Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Tiendeo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application, you can search for different products like clothing, electronics, or food. You can select categories as you can see here. So if you want to search for example, restaurants or shops, then you can find them, and you can find the magazines with the latest promotions and offers. So it's very useful. There's a map function here where you can search for different places. You can create a shopping list, which will make shopping easier for you. So overall, it's a very useful application if you want to search for things to purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.